Hola, welcome to Ida's Kitchen. Bienvenidos. My name is Ida Lugo McAllister, and I am going to demonstrate how to prepare potato salad, ensalada de papa. Potato salad is a side dish that consists mainly of boiled potatoes that are coated with a salad dressing mixed with vegetables and hard-boiled eggs. This dish is believed to have originated in Germany and continue to spread worldwide with many different versions of preparation. My mother taught me how to make this delicious and creamy potato salad. Let's start with boiling the eggs. In a 3-quart saucepan, pour 7 cups of water and bring the water to a boil. The water is boiling, so let's carefully place 8 eggs into saucepan. After placing the eggs in saucepan, continue boiling for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The eggs are done after 12 minutes of boiling. Carefully drain the hot water from saucepan. In this bowl, I added some ice cubes with cold water. I am going to submerge the boiled eggs into the ice water to cool for at least 15 minutes. This process will allow the hard-boiled eggs to peel easily. The boiled eggs are cool enough to peel. Gently crack 1 egg in several places and start peeling. That was really easy to peel. Continue this process with the remaining boiled eggs. The last step is to chop the peeled eggs using an egg slicer. Place a boiled egg on the base and lower the top to slice the egg. Now we need to slice the egg in the opposite direction. With a sharp knife, cut across the egg strips into smaller pieces. This is such an easier method to chop the boiled eggs. Place in bowl and repeat this process until all the eggs are chopped. We just finished chopping 8 hard-boiled eggs. They will definitely add texture to this dish. I normally cook the eggs and potatoes at the same time on top of the stove. For this cooking demonstration, I will be cooking them separately. I am going to peel 3 pounds of russet potatoes with a potato peeler. You can use Yukon potatoes if you prefer. Once all the potatoes are peeled, I will rinse them in cold water. This is my scrap bowl. The potatoes are native to the Andes Mountains of South America. The Inca Indians were the first to cultivate the potatoes. Continue this process until all the potatoes are peeled. I peeled and rinsed 3 pounds of russet potatoes. Since the potatoes come in various sizes, I normally cut them into halves. Continue this process with the remaining potatoes. In a 4-quart saucepan, pour 8 cups of water and bring the water to a boil. Add 2 teaspoons of light salt or to taste to the boiling water. Stir well. Carefully place the potatoes into saucepan and cook until they are fork tender. Cover saucepan with lid slightly opened to avoid the boiling water from overflowing. Let's check the potatoes for tenderness after 30 minutes of cooking. Yes, the potatoes are fork tender, so remove them from saucepan and place them in a large bowl. Let stand to cool for a few minutes. Since the potatoes are cool enough to handle, cut the potato in half lengthwise and then into 1-inch chunks. Place the potato chunks back into the large bowl and repeat this process with the remaining cooked potatoes. I just finished cutting the cooked potatoes into 1-inch chunks. We are ready to prepare the potato salad. Add the following ingredients to the potatoes. 8 chopped hard-boiled eggs. 1/2 cup of chopped green peppers. 1/2 cup of chopped onions. 1/4 cup of mustard. And 2 cups of mayonnaise. Stir all the ingredients until well blended. You can also adjust the quantity of the ingredients to your liking. Once you combine all the ingredients, place the potato salad in a regular bowl to serve. The potato salad is usually served cold and as a side dish to accompany your main course. In Puerto Rico, the potato salad is usually garnished with strips of roasted red bell peppers, but I prefer to lightly sprinkle paprika on top of the potato salad. Cover bowl with lid and place in the refrigerator until it is time to serve, especially since this dish contains mayonnaise and eggs. It should not be kept out for more than 2 hours. Let's taste the potato salad, ensalada de papa. This is such a creamy and tasty potato salad. The chopped eggs, onions, and green peppers provide some texture and flavor to this dish. ¡Qué rico! An excellent side dish to accompany your favorite meat or fish. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video on how to prepare potato salad, ensalada de papa. Thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video. Please share, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you would like a copy of my cookbook, visit my website, idaskitchenboricua.com, and click on the cookbook tab. My cookbook is a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook, and it contains 42 authentic Puerto Rican recipes that I learned how to cook while living in Puerto Rico. This side is the English version. If you flip the book over, the other side is the Spanish version. Again, thank you for watching my YouTube cooking video.